at this win. 375 was the bet. Got a super huge bonus. Times 5 cents. Wow. Let's see what the end result is on this one.
41,000. 520. What's the jackpot?
Times 5 cents. It's gonna be a lot. This is the magic bet, I think. 5 cents, 375, which would be the first one on this Railroad Riches, which might be my new favorite game. Shoot. Let's see. Let's see this. Wow. Great. I don't know what the total is. I mean, I'm going to let it total. I think I know what it is. Oh, shit. Oh, my gosh.
Why?
It's a
4,000?
it's a jackpot. What?